So Ulanzi, they created this really smart magnetic quick release system for the GoPro. I have shouted out the system on a couple other videos, but I really have to say that this is a must-have for the GoPros, especially if you need to make a quick change from one mount to another. And then they sent me a couple other accessories that actually go with this quick magnetic release system, so I really just wanted to show them all in one quick video. So whether you're going from a tripod to a helmet mount, a bike mount, a monopod, seriously, am I gonna list all this? No, I don't have enough time for that. But I find the system incredibly useful. I already had one that connected to a screw thread and another that connected to a GoPro mount. And so what they actually sent me was one that was already built into a mount, so it's a lot less redundant, and one built into their extendable arm tripod, which is really nice. Twist it and lift it. Seriously, I love these. I think this is like the coolest idea, and it's just so easy to switch between things. And you might be thinking like, hey, if you have it on a mount already, can't you just switch it between the other GoPro mounts? And yes and no. For one, not all mounts work with everything. You have to buy some additional accessories. But the main fact, I find this actually very tricky, and I break a lot of these things because a lot of times you're maybe in a hurry or something and you're trying to push that on. Sometimes they just don't last as long. I've broken several of these things. And with this, you just let the magnets do the work and twist, and it's, look at that, it's on there, it's not going off. So yes, I love this and highly recommend it. Uh-oh, time's up. If you have a GoPro, really consider this option. If you know somebody that has a GoPro, this would be a great gift for them. I'll throw links to all of this stuff down in the description, plus a surprise link. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new here, if you can click that button right there, that would be awesome. Also, if you can reach it, click that button. I know it's annoying to hear, but when I remind you, you do it, and it actually helps out this channel a lot, so thank you for that. All right, that's another 30-second Thursday done and dusted. Make sure you check out the Tech is Hard podcast. We talk about gear. We talk about video advice for YouTube. We talk about all sorts of stuff. It's pretty fun. It's a weekly chat. Also, if you want to check out my music channel, if you hate it, you don't have to listen to it, but give it a shot. It's kind of fun. And watch this video. This is for you. YouTube says this is for you. All right, gotta go. Later.